Building a deck is a great way to enjoy the outdoors. It not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home but also provides a functional space where you can unwind and create lasting memories with your loved ones. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a cozy garden, a well-designed deck can transform your outdoor area into a personal oasis. It gives you extra space to relax and entertain. Imagine hosting summer barbecues, birthday parties, or even a quiet evening with a book and a glass of wine. The possibilities are endless. A deck can serve as an extension of your living space, offering a versatile area for various activities. From casual get-togethers to formal dinners, your deck can be the perfect setting for any occasion. Imagine having your morning coffee on your new deck. The fresh air, the sound of birds chirping, and the gentle warmth of the morning sun can make your mornings truly special. A deck can be your sanctuary, a place where you can start your day on a positive note. Whether you prefer a minimalist design or a deck adorned with plants and cozy furniture, the choice is yours. Picture yourself grilling dinner for friends and family. The aroma of delicious food, the laughter of your loved ones, and the joy of spending quality time together can make your deck the heart of your home. It's a place where memories are made, where you can celebrate life's special moments, and where you can simply enjoy the company of those who matter most. With a little planning and effort, you can build your own deck. The process may seem daunting at first, but with the right tools and guidance, it can be a rewarding experience. Not only will you save money by doing it yourself, but you'll also gain a sense of accomplishment and pride in your work. Plus, you can customize the deck to suit your specific needs and preferences. This guide will show you how, step by step. Remember, safety is important. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary materials and tools. Take the time to plan your deck layout, considering factors such as size, shape, and location. Proper planning can help you avoid common pitfalls and ensure a smooth construction process. Always wear safety glasses when using power tools. Protecting your eyes is crucial, as even a small piece of debris can cause serious injury. Safety should always be your top priority, so don't take any shortcuts. In addition to safety glasses, consider wearing ear protection if you're using loud equipment, and make sure your work area is well lit and free of hazards. Wear gloves to protect your hands. Handling wood and tools can be tough on your skin, and gloves can help prevent cuts, splinters, and blisters. Choose gloves that fit well and provide a good grip, so you can work efficiently and safely. It's also a good idea to wear sturdy footwear to protect your feet from heavy objects and sharp tools. And be sure to follow all instructions carefully. Now let's get started. By following this guide, you'll be well on your way to building a beautiful and functional deck that you can enjoy for years to come. Take your time, be patient, and don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. With determination and attention to detail, you can create a deck that enhances your home and provides a wonderful space for relaxation and entertainment. Before you start building, you need a plan. This is not just any plan, but a well-thought-out, detailed plan that will guide you through every step of the process. Planning is the foundation of any successful project, and building a deck is no exception. Without a solid plan, you might find yourself facing unexpected challenges and costly mistakes. This is the most important step. A comprehensive plan will help you visualize the end result and ensure that all necessary steps are taken into account. It will also help you stay organized and on track, preventing any unnecessary delays or setbacks. Remember, a well-planned project is a successful project. A good plan will save you time and money in the long run. By carefully considering all aspects of the project beforehand, you can avoid costly mistakes and rework. This includes everything from the design and materials to the construction process and final touches. Investing time in planning now will pay off in the end. First, decide where you want your deck. Consider factors such as sunlight, privacy, and accessibility. Think about how you will use the space and what features you want to include. Do you want a space for dining, lounging, or entertaining? Will you need built-in seating or planters? Take the time to carefully consider the best location for your deck. Think about the size and shape you want. The size of your deck will depend on the available space and your intended use. A larger deck may be ideal for entertaining, while a smaller deck might be perfect for a cozy outdoor retreat. The shape of your deck can also add visual interest and complement the design of your home. Consider different options and choose the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Next, check with your local building department. Building codes and regulations vary by location, so it's important to understand the requirements in your area. This may include setbacks, height restrictions, and structural requirements. Consulting with a building inspector can help ensure that your deck is safe and compliant with local codes. You may need a permit. Depending on the size and scope of your project, a building permit may be required. This is an important step to ensure that your deck is built to code and meets all safety standards. Applying for a permit may involve submitting detailed plans and paying a fee, so be sure to factor this into your planning process. You'll also want to make sure your deck meets building codes. Building codes are in place to ensure the safety and structural integrity of your deck. This includes requirements for footings, framing, and railings. An inspector will check your deck at various stages of construction to ensure that it meets these standards. By following building codes, you can have peace of mind knowing that your deck is safe and built to last. Once you have a plan, it's time to gather your materials. This includes lumber, concrete, fasteners, and decking boards. Make a list of everything you need. This will help you stay organized and avoid delays. You can buy your materials at your local lumberyard or home improvement store. Now it's time to design your deck. This is an exciting phase where your vision starts to take shape. Whether you dream of a cozy space for family gatherings or a grand area for entertaining guests, the design process is crucial. You can do this yourself or hire a professional. Hiring a professional can save you time and ensure a polished result, but it can also be more expensive. On the other hand, designing it yourself can be a rewarding experience and give you complete control over every detail. If you're doing it yourself, there are many free online deck design tools. These tools are user-friendly and can guide you through the process step by step. They often include templates and design ideas to help spark your creativity. These tools can help you create a layout that meets your needs. You can experiment with different shapes, sizes, and materials to see what works best for your space. Some tools even allow you to visualize your design in 3D, giving you a better sense of how the final product will look. Be sure to consider the size of your yard, the location of your house, and your budget. A well-designed deck should complement your home and landscape, providing a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living spaces. Think about how you plan to use the deck. Will it be a place for dining, lounging, or perhaps a combination of both? Your intended use will influence the design and features you include. Start by measuring your yard and sketching a rough layout on paper. This will give you a better idea of the available space and help you visualize different design options. Don't forget to account for any existing structures, trees, or other obstacles that might affect your design. Next, research different decking materials. There are many options to choose from, including wood, composite, and PVC. Each material has its own advantages and disadvantages, so consider factors like durability, maintenance, and cost when making your decision. If you decide to hire a professional, take the time to find someone with experience and a good reputation. Ask for references and look at examples of their previous work. A skilled contractor can offer valuable insights and suggestions to enhance your design. Once you have a design you're happy with, finalize your plans and prepare for the next steps. Whether you're building the deck yourself or working with a contractor, a well-thought-out design will set the foundation for a successful project. Before you start building, you need to prepare the site. This means clearing the area of any obstacles. You'll need to remove grass, rocks, and debris. You may also need to level the ground. Once the site is clear, you can start laying out the foundation. Use stakes and string to mark the perimeter of the deck. The foundation is the most important part of your deck. It supports the entire structure. The most common type of foundation for a deck is concrete piers. To build concrete piers, you'll need to dig holes, set posts, and pour concrete. Be sure to use pressure-treated lumber for the posts. This will prevent them from rotting. Once the foundation is in place, you can start framing the deck. This involves attaching beams to the posts and joists to the beams. Use pressure-treated lumber for all framing members. Make sure the joists are spaced evenly. This will provide a solid base for the decking. Now comes the fun part, installing the decking. There are many different types of decking materials available. These include wood, composite, and plastic. Choose a material that is durable and easy to maintain. Secure the decking boards to the joist with screws or nails. Once the decking is down, you can add the finishing touches. This includes railings, stairs, and any other features you desire. Railings are important for safety, especially if your deck is elevated. Stairs provide access to the yard. You can also add built-in seating, planters, or a pergola. Safety is paramount when building a deck. Always wear safety glasses when using power tools. Wear gloves to protect your hands. Be careful when working with heights. Use a safety harness if necessary. And always follow the manufacturer's instructions for all tools and materials. Congratulations, you've built your own deck. Now it's time to enjoy it. Furnish your deck with comfortable chairs, a table, and maybe even a grill. Add some plants and decorations to personalize your space. Then sit back, relax, and enjoy the fruits of your labor.